My name is Rafiq Punjani. Our family owns Anago Cleaning in Manitoba. In this time when we have a pandemic of novel coronavirus, also referred as COVID-19, we, being in the cleaning industry, are getting a lot of questions about cleaning, sanitization, and disinfection. So we thought to create this educational video so that we can help our clients, our community, and our friends. Cleaning removes dirt and many germs from surfaces. Cleaning works by using soap or detergent and water to physically remove germs from surfaces. The process does not necessarily kill germs, but by reducing or removing them, it lowers the number and the risk of spreading infection. Sanitization lowers the number of germs on surfaces to a safe level by using public health recommendations. Sanitizing is more detailed than regular cleaning, but not as effective as disinfecting. Disinfecting kills germs on surfaces by using CDC-approved disinfectants. Disinfecting does not clean dirt off of surfaces. Dusting is required before disinfecting any surfaces for it to be effective. Anago franchisees use two different methods for disinfecting. In manual disinfection, all touch points and surfaces are disinfected by using the right chemical and the right technique. Electrostatic disinfection involves spraying an electrostatically charged mist onto surfaces and objects. This method greatly simplifies the process of disinfecting any irregularly shaped objects or hard-to-reach areas, as cleaning personnel only need to direct and spray. The charged mist evenly covers all surfaces, even if it is only sprayed on one side. Anago franchisees also provide terminal cleaning in an unfortunate event where a suspected or confirmed case of COVID-19 is reported. If you found that this video was beneficial, share it with your office managers, plant managers, or property managers so that we can work with them to make your office environment safe and clean. Thank you from Team Anago. Stay healthy.